Shalom, brothers and sisters. Today I want to go to Galatians 5, verse 22. I'm going to read it to you, and then I'm going to take one word out of it, and we're going to break it down in the Greek for you because it's precious. And it teaches you something really important. It says in Galatians 5, verse 22, New King James Version, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness." Now, we could preach entire sermons on just that verse. I could break down a sermon for each word. There's so much in here to unpack. But today, I want to take the word kindness. And kindness in Greek is Christotes, Strong's 5544. It means, the translation from the Greek can mean goodness in action. It can mean sweetness of disposition. It can mean gentleness in dealing with others, benevolence, kindness. It basically describes the ability, and this is a gift, the ability to act for the welfare of those taxing your patience. The Holy Spirit is the one who removes the abrasive qualities from the characters of those under his control. I've heard someone say once, and I laugh because it's so true for a lot of us, "Oh, I love the Lord. It's his people I have problems with." And Moses can relate. Did I give birth to these people? It happens. And this word, Christotes, shows you that it is a gifting. The Holy Spirit, when you submit to him and his power transforms your character, he removes those abrasive qualities from our lives, and we can act for the welfare of those who very regularly tax our patience or test us. We can allow the Holy Spirit to take over. I always remind myself, and I did it for many years, and it really helps, and now it becomes a second nature. Lord, show me these people in front of me as you see them. No matter who I encounter, let me see them through your eyes. Holy Spirit, guide my interactions, reminding me that I am an ambassador of the Most High God. Show kindness, especially with those you struggle to show it to. The Holy Spirit will help you with that if you submit to God. Shalom.